This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, bigger selection, and best pricing on the internet, create a free login and see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below.
It's not getting any hot water out of this. It's a spindle and this is loose. I gotta fix that. I'll show you why she's getting no hot water. Water off. If you can see, we're gonna shut the water off here in the basement. And there is a sink down here. I'm gonna open the water up, let it drain down here so I could work upstairs on the shower. We'll drain it down here, the water, so I can work on the shower. There's a spindle in here that's got a click, and that's the problem. It's jammed up, not being used. Lack of use. Use it or you lose it. You ever hear that saying? I got the water off and I got the valve open up down so the sink so it drains down there. I'm gonna have to find out why this thing's floating in the wind there. See it? That's not good. That's a volume control is what it's called. Can you guys see, or is it too dark? Take this out. Oh, the metal's in there. Sometimes there's a plastic one, but the brass one's in there, so that's not the problem. That's odd. Make sure you don't drop that in the wall. Oh, look at this, it's loose. She's loose as a goose. I have never seen that happen before. See that? So I need a new one. Found your problem with your diverter. See it's spinning?
Yeah.
It's not supposed to spin.
Ah.
So that's one problem.
Okay.
That's kind of odd. I've never seen that happen before. I work on these things all the time.
Oh well.
You just never know, right?
Nope.
There it goes. Yeah, don't click. That's the problem. That's what it should sound like. To kind of turn this at the same time. Sometimes they'll bind up and you can move this. There's a packer nut right here. Also you can tighten up. A little clip goes in and holds it right in there. See it? That thing's bound up. That's why it broke. I'll have to pull it out. Put a new one in there. If I can get it out. Half-inch fitting brush. Alright, the black one's the shower, and the white one will be tub. You can't mix them. You gotta use the black one with the shower. See how it goes on there? That's what this tool is for. Better. So I'm not using it. Turn the water on. Yeah, it's getting warm now, so we're good.